verticals. EEB vertical added about 6 lakhs new borrowers during the Q2 24 as the EEB portfolio increased to 5.2% quarter-on-quarter. Growth in the case of retail asset and commercial banking also continued a very impressive growth. The retail loan book grown 80% year-on-year and 15% quarter-on-quarter. Commercial banking vertical have grown 65% year-on-year and 7% quarter-on-quarter. The housing finance book registers a growth of nearly 4% year-on-year. In line with our medium-term strategic objective, the share of secured assets as part of our total loan book continues to increase. It reached the 44% in Q2 24, up from 38% 1 year before. We expect to have nearly 50% of our portfolio will be secured by financial year 26. Coming to this, the liabilities is the deposit part. On the liability side, total deposits at rupees 1,12,000 crores as on end of September 23. It has been grown 12.8% year-on-year and a tad stronger than industry growth. As we focus on granular retail deposit, our total retail deposit and retail term deposit grown by 13% and 20% year-on-year respectively. The retail to total deposit ratio, which was at around 71% in March 23, moved up to 74% in Q2 24. CASA deposit, which stands at 43,196 crore as at end of Q2 24, have shown an impressive growth of 10.5% quarter-on-quarter and about 6.6% year-on-year. CASA ratio stands at a healthy 38.5% compared to the 36% in the previous quarter. Microfinance customers contribute to the total deposit is a 4% of our total deposit of the bank. The customers continue to respond their trust in the bank. The bank has added about 10 lakhs new customers in this quarter. Number of liability customers increased by 12.5% year-on-year. Volume of customer transaction increased by 47% year-on-year. In terms of value, it is a 13% year-on-year. If I come to this, the asset quality, let us now move on to trend in collection and asset quality. There has been good improvement in collection efficiency. The bank's overall collection efficiency excluding NPA stood at 98% for the month of September 2023, which is up from September 22 month, 97%. So today is a 98%. Especially for EEB segment, our collection efficiency excluding NPA stood at 98% in the month of September 23, significantly up from about 95% a year ago, September. There is a gross NPA ratio of the post-COVID book stands at 2.6%. There has been improved across bucket for both forward and backward flows. Current to SMA 0 flows was 1.5% in Q2 financial year 24 against 2.8% 1 year before. On the other hand, SMA 0 to current upgraded flows improved to nearly 25% in Q2 24 from 13% 1 year ago. That shows that the quality of the portfolio gradually improved, we are disbursed the loan after the pandemic. Coming to this, the profitability, the bank has registered a net profit of 721 crores during Q2 financial year 24 against a net profit of 209 crores a year ago in the same quarter. This was a year-on-year growth of the profit 245%. Our net interest income Q2 financial year 24 was 2,443 crores compared to that of 2,193 crores in the last year in the same quarter, which is registering the growth of this NII 11.4% year-on-year. Our net interest margin stood at 7.2% as the Q2 24.